Get a feel for the 2023 Chevrolet Silverado. The all-new Silverado delivers smart technology, advanced safety features, improvements in bed and cargo design, and a refined level of comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, 8-cylinder engine, fog lamps, rear-wheel drive, stability control, running boards, side steps, traction control, split bench seat, tow hooks. Bigger isn't always better, unless you're talking about power and cargo capacity. Don't miss the chance to test drive the all-new Silverado.